Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Collector's Edition in the house. I can't wait. Thank you, Bandai Namco, for sending this. Let's take a look. Okay, so inside, this is the Xbox One edition. It has the Xbox One game and a steel book with all the Dragon Balls in the back. Oh, I like this. It also has a game art book, Dragon Ball Z. Take a look at that. Nice. I don't know what page we're on, but I just turned to something. Okay, there. That's some good art. Ooh, what's in this? Oh snap! What is in here? Okay, we got it. I am so excited. Ah! Okay, come on. Okay. Get out of here. Okay, let's see. Gotta use that strength, you know. Get out of here. So that goes in there. All right, so let's put Goku and Son. You didn't see that. Totally didn't snap this. There's too much strength, you know. Well, this is it snapped. This is how it's supposed to. Just imagine that's Goku. Wow. Yo, I am so excited for this game. I can't wait. It is an RPG game. It's gonna be many hours of gameplay. You take the disc out, but first what I'm gonna do is take the disc out and put it in the steelbook, and then from the steelbook into the Xbox. I'm so excited! Unfortunately, guys, I can't, because of embargo, play any gameplay for this book. Just want to do an unboxing. If you want to see gameplay, let me know below. But I'm so excited! Sorry, Bandai Namco, because I didn't know my own strength, because my super.